Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the Vendor Assessment Roadmap template in FigJam from Ally. This powerful tool will help you streamline your vendor evaluation process for better results in your L&D initiatives. First, let's define the Vendor Assessment Roadmap. It's a strategic tool designed to guide you through the process of selecting the right vendors for your learning and development needs. This roadmap outlines each step in the vendor evaluation process, from identifying potential vendors to making the final selection. It ensures you follow a structured approach, considering all necessary criteria and stages. In the context of L&D, using the Vendor Assessment Roadmap helps you align your vendor selection with your training goals and organizational objectives. Here's how you can use it effectively. Start by opening the Vendor Assessment Roadmap template in FigJam. This tool will help you manage and streamline your vendor selection process. Begin by outlining your key stages, from initial evaluation to final selection. The template provides a clear structure to ensure you don't miss any critical steps. Input your specific tasks and timeframes for each stage. Track the progress of your vendor evaluations and make sure all team members are on the same page. Utilize the collaboration features to align your team, procurement, and stakeholders. Share the roadmap, gather feedback, and keep everyone informed. Use the roadmap to organize and analyze data from your vendor comparisons. This will help you make well-informed, data-driven decisions. Ready to streamline your vendor selection process? Download the Vendor Assessment Roadmap template in FigJam today and ensure a smooth and efficient evaluation.